Hello everyone, I'm Subhojit Panda from OdissaTV.in presenting you today's news from Odisha. First headlines. TMC leader Mamata Banerjee is set to visit Odisha today. Congress allege BJP, BJD equally responsible for Odisha's backwardness. Survivor opposing Mamata Banerjee's visit to Puri temple detained. Bhadrak District Administration to submit damage assessment report. And dreaded criminal Sheikh Babu injured in police encounter. Now the details. After the Bharatiya Janata Party recently concluded two-day national executive meet in which party leaders across the country delved into its pan-India poll roadmap, Trinamool Congress leader and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is likely to hold a public rally in Bhubaneswar during her three-day Odisha visit. She is supposed to address a gathering on 19th April in the capital city to counter the BJP's poll strategy ahead of the 2019 general elections. Speculation is rife that Banerjee in her address to the rally would train her guns against the BJP and its government at the centre. Arya Kumar Gyanendra, the state convener of TMC, however, said her tour is purely personal and has nothing to do with politics. He added that after arriving here on Tuesday evening, Mamata will make a night stay in Puri and pay obeisance to the Holy Trinity the next morning. On Wednesday, she will be in Bhubaneswar and attend several programs. Mamata will return to Kolkata on Thursday morning. Official sources said she would be a state guest during her three-day tour.
आगामी दिन में तंकर आहुरी बड़ आकार कार्यक्रम रखा राज्य तृणमूल कांग्रेस कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत करुछि ता पूर्व से तंकर जो यह तंकर संपूर्ण भाव में आम पाखे जहाँ खबर व्यक्तिगत कार्यक्रम तेणु से जो अनुसार राष्ट्रीय तृणमूल कांग्रेस पक्षर जहाँ आमको निर्देश आसो आम पालन कर
यही सबू दल मैंने जिते आवश्यकता पड़े जहाँ सपक्ष जावा कथा जाती केतले सपक्ष जाती केतले विपक्ष जाती कौन विचारधारा एमानकर नाही। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी सपक्ष व्यापक जनमत एमानकु बाउला करुची एमाने जेते बाउला हेबे भारतीय जनता पार्टी सेते उपकृत हो।
तो की का संग कथले आपन केते असुविधा कोन हो जाउछ आपन 19 तो जितिबे आपन एटा तेणु कर जो माने ये उक्ति काढुचंती एटा सी बोधे भयभीत एमिति कोनसी आलोचना पय कोनसी ताकर चिट्ठी भी आसी नै केवल एत्ति की चिट्ठी आसी से आसुचंती ताकर विजिट रे ओडिसा को।
Congress on Monday hit out at ruling BJD in Odisha and BJP, stating that both the parties were equally responsible for poverty, backwardness and misrule in the state. While BJD is to be blamed for Odisha's poverty, backwardness and misrule, BJP is also equally responsible for this, alleged Odisha Pradesh Congress Committee President Prashad Harichandan. Describing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's two-day visit to Odisha as highly disappointing, the Congress leader said the Prime Minister did not utter a word about Odisha, slamming the BJP over Mahanadi river water dispute between Odisha and Chhattisgarh. The Congress leader said the centre failed to stop the construction of barrages on Mahanadi upstream by the BJP regime in Chhattisgarh. Reacting to the allegations of Harichandan, BJD leader Anang Uday Singhdeo said that Congress should look after its own house first.
विकास नवा पई दायी किए ए विफलता ए भ्रष्टाचार पई दायी किए 17 वर्ष रे ओडिसा रो कुशासन कथा कहले ए 17 वर्ष रु अधारु अधिक समय 9 वर्ष ए कुशासन रे भागी जदि नवीन पट्टनायक बीजेडी जदि दुर्योधन ताले बीजेपी दुशासन
कांग्रेस ए उड़ीसा रे साफ हो गला आमर जेन रिजल्ट टिके असुविधा हला पश्चिम अंचल रे इट इज बिकॉज द कांग्रेस वोट्स ऑल वेंट टू द बीजेपी इफ दे हैड बीन स्ट्रांग एंड प्रॉपर आमे ऑल ओवर द छेडे जीती थांतो तो लेट देम लुक आफ्टर देयर ओन हाउस फर्स्ट बिफोर क्रिटिसाइजिंग अस।
The Puri police today detained Sri Jagannath Sevayat Sammilani Secretary Somnath Khuntia for vehemently opposing West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's visit to Sri Jagannath Temple. SJSS has warned that Banerjee's visit to the Puri temple would hurt the sentiments of lakhs of devotees of Lord Jagannath because she has made statements favouring consumption of beef. Clean and pious-hearted people are only allowed to enter the shrine, said Khuntia. On the other hand, BJP State President Basant Panda has said Puri temple is open for all Hindus. The Trinamool Congress chief had earlier said many minorities, Christians, tribals consume beef. It's an individual choice and no one should stop them.
समस्ते एठी आसिकरी संपूर्ण प्रकार निजर पाप नष्ट होय बोलिकरी भावंती आ ममता बनार्जींकर मध्य सब प्रकार पाप क्षय हो ए प्रकार मोर भावना।
जगन्नाथ मंदिर को आसुवा प्रत्येक व्यक्ति शुद्ध और स्वच्छ भाव में आसती ब्रीफ खाऊा व्यक्ति को आम श्रीमंदिर में पुरई दौना गणमाध्यम देखा विभ्रांत होशावासी पूरीवासी उत्तेजित होती जी ममता संपूर्ण विरोध कर श्रीमंदिर को आसिया पूर्व चिंता करेंगे गणमाध्यम द्वारा स्पष्टीकरण देवे तापर जहाँ चिंता कर नचेत बर्तमान श्रीमंदिर द्वारे विरोध करने सेवायत सम्मेलन तरफ सेवायत समाज तरफ दृढ़ विरोध कर।
The Bhadrak district administration will submit the assessment report on damages caused during the unrest witnessed in the town and its periphery on Wednesday following posting of some objectionable posts in social media. As per reports, 25 of the total 30 wards of Bhadrak municipality have been affected by the violence. Around 180 permanent and temporary shops and more than 120 houses have been completely damaged during the unrest. 7 teams headed by District Collector Gyanaranjan Das have been engaged to assess the damage. The report would be given to the collector today and the state government tomorrow. A notorious criminal identified as Sheikh Babu was injured in an exchange of fire between him and police at Hadipatha area in Cuttack late last night. Critically injured Babu was admitted to the SCB Medical College and Hospital, informed Cuttack DCP Sanjeev Arora. Babu, an associate of Mohammad Shakil, was wanted by Cuttack Commissionerate Police. 8 cases are pending against him at various police stations, added the DCP.
पुलिस जिते बेले से जगह को रेड कला से माने पुलिस ऊपर हठात फायर करले एंड पुलिस सेल्फ डिफेंस रे फायर करके जने को अरेस्ट करबा पई सफल होइछंती एंड ताको एबे मेडिकल ताको ना अछि शेख बाबू ताको घर अछि कैंटोनमेंट थाना पेंशन ले दिए रे।
After undergoing a 12-hour-long ordeal, forest officials were finally able to capture the leopard which strayed into the Kurule village under Kontabanji range of Balangir district. The leopard, which also attacked the Turekeda police station IAC during the rescue operation, was finally captured by laying a cage. Till last reports came in, the leopard was being taken to Harishankar. Earlier during the day, the leopard was found hiding in a cow shed, spreading panic among the villagers. By the time forest officials and police reached the spot, the leopard had already attacked one person and entered another person's house. A rescue operation was launched in which Turekeda police station IIC climbed up to the roof of the house where the leopard was hiding. However, soon the leopard climbed up the roof and attacked the police officer, who had to jump off the roof to save himself. In yet another shameful incident of brutality against women, a girl was allegedly stripped and humiliated in front of her family by a youth in Lokapada village under Ali police limits in Kendrapada district. The shocking incident was reported yesterday when the accused, identified as Saroj Das, dragged and thrashed the victim and her mother. Later, the girl was beaten up and stripped in public view after she tried to resist the youth. Police swung into action and arrested the accused after the matter was reported by few locals. Such kind of violence and atrocities against women being reported from several parts has now raised question on their safety.
विंडा पर बसतिले मते एमते सबले डकाडकी करंती आगुर सरज डकाडकी करन मु सुनेनी तो न सुनिया तो मते सेटु मु काली बसतिली सेटु जाई के मते टाणी आनले पिंडा पर टाणी आन के रास्ता पर पके देले खराब व्यवहार करले कला तो मु सेटु जंती प्रतिवाद करली मते सेटु आउर मरामरी करले तांको स्त्री तांको पीसीमा समस्ते आसी आउ सेत पे मु सेत न्याय मागुची मते न्याय मिल तांको
रिपोर्ट ऊपर हमर थानार केस नंबर 81/2017 रुजु कराई बर्तमान तदंत कराई अभियुक्त थानार अटक अच्छी आ यही गंडगोलटी पारिवारिक गंडगोल नहीं सृष्टि होइछि।
In two bizarre incidents, a woman was beaten to death for mediating in a fight between two others in Bonai area of Sundargarh district, while another man was shot at for interfering in a similar incident in Kalyan Singhpur area of Raigada district today. The woman died last night at Sonarakhi village near Bonai when she tried to intervene in a quarrel between a youth with another. According to police, the deceased, identified as Sumitra Rai, aged 40, was trying to resolve the feud. However, irked over her interference, the youths beat her severely, killing her on the spot. Soon after, the accused fled. Police rushed to the place and seized the body for post-mortem after registering a case in this regard. In another incident, a man sustained a bullet injury on his leg while trying to solve a wrangle between a youth and his father-in-law last night at Mutkone village near Kalyan Singhpur in Raigada district. While the youth opened fire at his father-in-law following a heated argument, the mediator came on the way while trying to pacify them. He was admitted to a local hospital. Meanwhile, police has arrested the accused and started investigation. Before wrapping up the news headlines once again, TMC leader Mamata Banerjee is set to visit Odisha today. Congress allege BJP-BJD equally responsible for Odisha's backwardness. Survivor opposing Mamata Banerjee's visit to Puri temple detained. Bhadrak district administration to submit damage assessment report. And dreaded criminal Sheikh Babu injured in police encounter. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.